In the previous section, we have seen how to access the list item. So in this section, we will see how to change or modify the list item. Okay, how to change and modify the list items. To change the value of a specific item in the list, you can easily refer to the index number what we have seen in the past videos. Okay, so I am taking the same example what we have taken in the previous video, Sharad. Okay, let me create it once again, like apple, banana, or cherry. Okay, and let's leave it. So just suppose I want to change the, let's say, second item of the list. I want to replace the second item. Second item is what? Second item is banana. I want to change it. So what should I do? First, I'll override the item with the current one. Okay, like just suppose Sharad here, and I want to change the second item. Second by index, second item is 1. Okay, and then is equal to the value you want to give it. Like I want to give here orange. Okay, so what should I do? Okay, this will happen. Sharad, then index number, and then what value you want to change, just write it down. And now if you will print Sharad, then you can see apple, orange and cherry, but orange is replaced by, sorry, banana is replaced by what? Orange. Okay, even you can change a range of item values. The same thing what you did in the past, accessing by a range. So here also we can change by the range of values by a particular system. Okay, let me write it. Change the items of the range. For changing the value of item within a specific range, first try to define a list with a few new values. Okay, and then we will refer the range of index number where we really want to insert the new values. Like just suppose let me create a new list first. Apple, apple, the same thing. Now I'll copy this, banana, and let's say cherry, and let's say orange, kiwi, and mango. We can give melon also, but no, don't. We will use it to modify or change. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, orange and kiwi. There are total 6 items in the list. So now I want to change the value of banana and cherry. Okay, with the value of like some different one and 2 values. I will replace banana and cherry with 2 different values. Okay, so now here I'll have to make a different list. Okay, this Sharad list is already here. We will make another list. So let's say Sharad 1. Okay, and here I will cut it down. I'll use the range of indexes here. So as I know, I want to change banana and cherry. So banana here is what is in number 1. Okay, and cherry is number 2, right? So for using cherry, I can use this. If I'll write this, then what will happen? Banana and cherry I can easily print, right? Let me show you what I'm saying actually. If I'll print this, what will happen? uh, okay, sorry, what will happen? It will print banana and cherry, right? So I am accessing the list, and after accessing the list, I will change those items. Okay, so same thing I am doing here. I am creating a list with a new item, or I can okay, let it be Sharad. I will overwrite this, okay, so that all the list will be printed. Don't see this thing. Okay, now I will change banana with a different one, and or cherry with the different one. So again I'll use the same thing. What fruit you want to give? Let's say black. Okay, it doesn't matter, you can give anything. Okay, here I want to use, let's say, melon. Okay, now enter. It will automatically get what? Overwrite in Sharad. As I told you, list can be duplicated, list can be overwritten. Okay, now if just suppose I'll print Sharad, then what will happen? Apple, then black and melon. Banana is replaced by black and cherry is replaced by melon. Okay, right? And orange, kiwi, mango, those are same. If you insert more item then you replace, then the new item will be inserted where you specified, and the remaining item will move accordingly. Okay, what I want to say, just suppose let me overwrite. Let me take an example. Like I want to change the second value of this, the same example, or I will take a different one. Wait. Copy and then paste. But I will remove some item from here. I will remove up to cherry will be good. Okay, up to cherry. Now we can take it an example. Here in Sharad there are 3 items: apple, banana and cherry. Okay, now I will use only one item. I will use only banana, but I'll replace it with 2 values. Okay, I will use banana, but I will replace it with 2 values. So what should I do here? Sharad, now first let me access this. So I can use via indexes like this. Okay, one is banana and second item is cherry, so only banana will be printed. Right? Hope you understood this. Banana will be printed only, and we are accessing cherry, so the last value will not get printed, so banana will only be printed. You can write this is as 1 also, but here I am giving you example of range, so we will use 2. Now I will change this banana to, let's say, black. Okay, and I am adding one more item, melon, but I have not mentioned where this item will be placed because I have not given cherry. I am taking only one item and I am replacing it with 2 items. So what will happen here? If you will print the list, then you can see it adjusted. In the place of banana, black and melon is there. Apple is cherry. Apple and cherry are in the same position. Okay, it is automatically get adjusted, and the good thing is there were 3 length. Right now there are 4 length. Okay, you remembered length, len function. It will count the item of a list or of a data type or a array. Okay, the length of the list will change when the number of item inserted, because it does not match the number of item replaced, right? Because it is added. So if you insert the less item, then you replace, then again the new item will be inserted where you specified, and the remaining item will move accordingly. Okay, you can do it in the same way for the negative indexing also. Okay, and what if, just suppose I want to insert an item, it is a replacing, right? We have replaced something, but what if I want to insert a new value? So here we can use a function called insert. Let me write it as a command first. How to insert the item. Okay, so we will use what? Insert function. Okay, so let's copy paste first. So here, just suppose remove this thing. Let's say I want to insert melon in the third item. Okay, in the third item. So what will I do? Cherry is right now in a third position, but I want to insert watermelon or melon in the third position. So what should I do? Apple, banana and cherry. So here I can use Sharad. Then I will use insert function as dot insert. Okay, and in the place where I want to give, I want to place down here, not at the last. Okay, and I don't want to replace anything. I just want to add in between banana and cherry. So as per the index position, what is this position? It's 0, 1 and 2. This is the 2 position, right? So I want to insert in the 2 position, so simply I'll write here 2. Then what item I want to give? I want to give melon. Okay, so what will happen if you will print this? Sharad, apple, banana, and you can see now melon is there in between banana and cherry. Okay, means now we are in 4 length. Okay, previously the list was of 3 length, now it is of 4 length with nothing replaced. I even added in between the first position and the second position. Now it is in between the list. Okay, so wait, I forgot something. No, I think range of instruction is completed. Modify. Okay, so guys, this section is over. There is some more things to do, but we will do it in a later project when I'll show you some live project concepts, some web development type of thing. There we will see some more things to do. Okay, so that's now for this section. I'll see you in the next chapter. Okay, bye bye.